military positions, just 100 meters above the line of control, which divides Kashmir between one area administered by India and the other by Pakistan. Situated less than 500 meters behind them is the town of Chakoti, where the possibility of an attack by Indian forces is dominating discussion. Raja Asif is 93 years old. Evacuation is not an option for him.
Definitely, we are worried about our loved ones on the other side of Kashmir, but we are not afraid of any threat. We are motivated and we will support Pakistan's military against any aggression.
At this nearby school, the children are rehearsing for their annual school day. But there's only one thing on their mind. Dressed in military fatigues, they want to send their own message.
If India wants to fight us, we are ready to fight back. We are not afraid of any threat and sleep very calmly at night while our military is awake and alert. We're not even depressed. Whatever Mr. Modi wants to do, he should. We are strong enough to respond.
Their teacher says life will go on no matter what happens.
Despite the threats from India, our lives here are as normal. We still have a routine and come to school daily, even though the border is just a few hundred meters away. But we so far haven't seen any unusual movement of military.
The people living close to the line of control are used to a rise in tensions in the region, but are determined to maintain a semblance of normality. Tensions remain high along the line of control after a threat of retaliatory strike by India. People here are hoping for sense to prevail, but they're also preparing for the worst. People continue to go about their businesses in the town, but no one knows what will happen next or who will make the next move. Kamal Haider, Al Jazeera, Chakoti, Pakistan administered Kashmir.